VRA, for whom methotrexate did not work well. Xeljanz XR can reduce
Do you have
pain,
hiccups?
swelling, and joint damage,
Same.
even without methotrexate. Xeljanz XR can lower
I see your
your ability
stomach
to fight
moving with your
infections,
hiccups.
including tuberculosis,
Did you take one?
serious, sometimes fatal
Yeah.
infections, lymphoma.
You got
It's almost like
hiccups.
a-
You got hiccups.
Quit making fun of him.
Call 1-800-XFINITY. See,
Poor baby.
with his future
Are
in
you filming?
shambles, Barry
Yeah.
did what any reasonable landlord
Filming his
locked
hiccups.
himself in a closet.
Barry, please get him out of there.
No, I'm staying
I wanna
in here
be
until
on
I figure out
Yeah,
what
he
I'm supposed
does.
to do with my life.
He loves
Well,
his
if you
mommy.
agreed to the 9 kids, he wouldn't be in there. This is your fault.
Hey, you're the one forcing him to be a doctor to make your friends feel like losers.
You watching the Goldbergs?
Good news, we found the dog. Bad news, all of Adam is broken.
So much hurting, Mama.
Oh my God, call the hospital. This is the worst medical emergency the world has ever seen.
There's a medical emergency? Clear a path. Where's the pain, little bro? In my arm and my leg. You know what you're doing? Don't worry. I'll fix everything. You didn't answer the question. Laney, I need 50 cc's of ice stat.
I don't know how much that is, but I'm on it.
Come on, fast. I need it fast. Mom, I need a morphine drip. If you can't find that, 2 aspirin.
On it, Schmo.
Hurry! Move! Move! Why is everyone listening to him? He's not a medical professional. Ice! Give me my ice! Ooh, let's go. It's okay, little buddy. Stay with me. Clearly, I can't go anywhere. I'm pretty sure my leg and arm are broken. Nothing is broken. Look at me. You're gonna pull through just fine. Open, damn it! Yes, doctor.
He's gotta pull through. My one baby saved my other baby.
I really did. I cured him. Except he didn't. Well, I was crazy wrong. Good thing you went to the hospital for a second opinion.
The first and only opinion? Seriously, what's wrong with everyone?
Doesn't matter. My doctoring days are done.
I can't believe